Searching for details on a roofer? On this page. Questions to ask a roofer. Hiring a roofer is one of the most important decisions you'll ever make for your home. Few projects have a greater impact on energy efficiency, long-term inhabitability, and homeowner peace of mind. Roofing can often feel like a grudge purchase, something you need but take for granted. It's natural to feel disinterested as people don't usually comment on how nice your roof is. Since it's such an important part of your home, you need a pro who will install, repair or replace correctly. Here is a list of questions that can help you save money and aggravation when it's time to put on a new roof. Things to ask when getting roofing quotes. The cost to install a roof runs about $7,600 on average. The total is often the first thing homeowners think about, but it's just one part of the hiring process. Don't rely on a verbal quote. Ask for all pricing information in writing, with a date if possible. To get accurate estimates, ask these questions. What else to ask a roofer before hiring? Roofing contractors must follow state guidelines to offer services. Ring us as soon as possible for more details on a roofer.